Life with CaityB, and I'm back with another video. And y'all will guess what I'm gonna do. My mama, she's coming with me to Domino's, and we just ordered a massive pizza for this. Yeah, I guess it's a pizza mukbang, a Domino's pizza mukbang for you guys. So we'll see you when we get there. Hey guys, we just got to Domino's and yeah, just wait for a pizza. It should be done by 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, sorry. It is now 11:30. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait and wait. I don't know if we're allowed cameras in here, so try my luck. Oh, look at the size of it, guys. So good luck to me trying to finish that off. Hey fam, I'm finally back home and I get to dig into this humongous big pizza. My family are a little bit jealous right now, but I got some chow times here for my little challenge or mukbang. So let's get into it. Let's see if I can try to finish this. I'm gonna do a prayer. Amen. So I got it was fixed flavors. I don't know if you could pick the flavors you wanted, but I got pepperoni, Hawaiian, supreme, and meat lovers. Which is not too bad. I want to start off with the Hawaiian. It tastes way better than the small one. Oh, it tastes the same, but because the base is a bit thicker. Usually when I eat, I drink glass sometimes. I don't really drink sometimes while I'm eating. So I know it'll make me full, especially because I didn't have like water. The sauce makes you like feel like you're getting full quick. Oh. I'm gonna try and eat this in 20 to 30 minutes now. Meat lovers, guys, mixed with some hot pepperoni. Save myself. feel like everything's stuck over here. Having the pearls in your drink help push the pizza down and sort of cleanse, because you know you're eating a lot of like carbs and stuff. You're having something different and fresh.
Sorry I didn't get this.
I don't really. This is supreme, right? See how it tastes. I didn't think this pizza was going to be this big. My eyes are crying. It's not even like 10 minutes and I know I'm not gonna finish it. I need less support. Okay, abort mission, guys, abort mission. I'm getting forced out. We are going to bring in some new contestants to help me finish this off, guys. And in round 2, ding 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 ding, we have Auntie B in the building. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Welcome to the table, welcome to the table. Yeah, as y'all know, I can't finish that. And saved my life.
I just finished eating.
I feel like I'm dead.
No. No.
You need to go.
You're done when I'm done.
Meat level. What?
No thumbs down.
Thumbs down, us guys. I try to promise y'all. Cause I'm one of those slow eaters, and I can't eat fast in big portions. It's a pizza thing. I feel like I can't even talk, guys. Good. Oh, I only got 3 Pepsi if I didn't say it already. What's that? Oh. I feel like I'm deja vu right now, isn't it?
Go. It's my drink. It's tart with pill.
And vanilla milky with pearls. I
Just
stick
the
to simple
vanilla
flavors. You have that.
Dang!
Dang! When we're in New Zealand, I feel like there's a lot of good food places to pick from, even if it was just up the road. You get chicken nibbles. What else? Chicken thighs and chips. Fish and chips. And it's cheap too, like you get a lot for like what?
$5.
Yeah, $5. There's a store called Phelan Tom in Utah in Auckland, New Zealand. They have like 50-cent donuts and it's really good. $1.20 chips, I don't know if it's $1.20. Hot dogs, I think they're $1.20. $1? Lasagnas, yeah, kebabs on a stick. Oh my goodness. And you could get like heaps of those, like keep a feast of like $5. Yeah, all you get with $5 is like a... Especially after school, me and my friends would go to like Otara, like in primary. We'd go to Otara and we'll get like... We'll spend all our oh yeah, when we're going to library. We're really going to have a feast. No, we went to library and then we'll get a feast. We'll spend all our 10 cents and 20 cents on like the 10 cents lollies and 50 cents drinks and stuff. What's your most favourite place in New Zealand to go?
Toby. If
Toby's
you're
is
a seafood lover.
They're fry bread or they're multi bread? It's A1, man.
Rice.
Oh yes, there's this place in Otahu, guys. If you ever go to Otahu, I have it below in Auckland. Try this place called Vietnamese Cafe. It is bomb, bro. There's soups, there's spare ribs. Oh. Even their rice is like gold. It's like normal rice, but when you have all the soups like that, it's like...
Do you know cooking?
How are you going so far, contestant number 2?
Just how far I got.
So I've eaten one whole pizza, half.
One
So
slice.
basically, yeah. So basically 2.5 pizzas. So in the small box size, there'll probably be like one whole box of small pizza. Okay, we've come to the conclusion that it's not very nice.
Wendy's. I feel like Wendy's.
They're massive burgers.
Those are the triple classic, eh?
Triple classic.
And I love
The
that.
baconade.
Bacon, the mushroom.
Yeah, the chili pot at Wendy's is bomb, bro. I like the ice cream sandwiches at
Carl's Jr.
Carl's Jr. That's the one. I remember the first time I tried it, I was like, I'm never gonna eat this again because it was so expensive, like Carl's Jr. And even
There's the Oreo ones in there.
Then the Chip Ahoy ones.
yeah.
But they're the best milkshakes, they're real milky. They said there's a Carl's Jr. in town now.
Sausage rolls.
Nah, man, one of those
Mint
Pizza
and cheese
bread.
bun. Oh yes. Now they're
And their
mud
mud cake.
one of those
Cream.
pizza.
the big ones.
So if you go to Auckland, New Zealand, Auckland, go to these places.
And you hung out in the morning. Next, the bakery next to the police station has the best steak and cheese pies.
But if you want to go with a group, just try and have a hold up.
So what do you think of the pizza?
It was good, but because I ate earlier, I can't even finish that one slice. That's how far I got. And now the cheese is like gone cold, and I don't like it when it's cold.
Yeah. Slice on the top. I know damn well I wouldn't have finished in 20 minutes. 20 minutes. You still got 2, 4, 6, 7,
Slices.
7, basically 8. So we've only eaten 3. still got like heaps left. That's basically like 4 pizzas right there. Oh, 4
That is it.
Yeah, like the small type. Like,
Subscribe it.
listen to this woman, cause I know y'all watching and not subscribing now. Don't be like that, man. Come on. I hope you enjoyed watching this fail of a challenge. Yeah, I'm really I literally changed from jeans to track pants because I knew damn well my stomach was gonna be like 8 months pregnant after this. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Go try it out and ask if you guys can change it to different flavors because it's a little bit dry, just a little bit. Basta, guys.